Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a button exactly like this one where it says change to night, and when I click on it, it's night, and also the color and the text is changed to the blue and change to day, and when I click on change to day, there is day. Okay, so to do this we have to go here in starter GUI, insert here ScreenGui, and in this ScreenGui we have to insert the text button. Let's put it on the center on this green line, and let's change the size a little bit to something like this maybe. Let's change the color to this one, 177, 150, 250. Let's now add here an Y stroke, which we have to name it Y stroke BTN, and paste here the color that the exact same color that our button have, and go here back to Y stroke button and change the color. We have to make this color a little darker, something like this. We have to change here the play stroke mode to border, and of course the thickness to 4, so it will be something like this, but let's make a little darker. Okay, I like this. And we need to add a Y corner tool. We will keep it at 0,8, and another Y stroke, which will be the stroke for the text, and let's make it 2. Now let's go back to text button, search here for font, and select Freedoka1. Now let's search for text and change the text to change to night. We have to enable text scale, and we have to change the text color to white, and at the final it will show something like this one. Now let's script this button so it works as we want. So we have to add here a local script, and you will find this script in the description, so everything will be fine. Okay, so we will have to have the same color here at this line to be this blue, so when the button text is changed to day, like it's nighttime and you want to change the day, it should be this color. And here at stroke we will have to paste this color, so this is a more bright blue and this is a more darker blue, so make sure you have this color here too. Now let's continue scripting. Okay, so here we will have to paste the actual color of the button, which is we have to go here on the button, select the button, scroll a little bit down, and until we see the background color free, and we will have to copy this color. Okay, let's go back to script and paste it there. And we need to add here again if stroke, then stroke dot color equals with color free from RGB, and we will have to go here in the button at Y stroke BTN and copy the color from there, and we will have to paste it right here. Okay, so this is the full script. Let's close it and let's test the game. Okay, so I'm here in the game, so when I click on the change to night, everything works fine. The time is 21, like it's night, and the color and the text have been changed. And when I click again on it, it's day and the color and the text is changed. So everything works fine. Thank you so much guys for watching until the end of the video. Hope everything worked well for you and you had no problem, but if you got any problem just ask me in the comments, and I would really appreciate if you guys could suggest me more tutorials idea that I could make for you. And don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, because that will help me a lot, and I will really appreciate that so much. And I will see you again in a few days with a new tutorial.